Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we go all the way to the central and western region of Ghana, the Fante land to be precise. We bring you Fante Fante made with tilapia. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. I know I've never taken you guys to the market before, so today I decided to take you guys to the tilapia sellers, please. Guys, I'm all for anything that makes cooking faster and easier, so I always make them prep my tilapia at the market before I bring it home. And I learned a new hack today. Did you know that hard hairbrush, you can use it to descale your fish? If you don't have a descaler today, you learned something new. Don't go and use your hairbrush for your fish. Or maybe you can get one and then you'll be using it for fish only. That's if you don't have a descaler. And it was pretty fast. It was quite interesting to watch how fast she was with it. We are back home now and washed our tilapia nicely with some water and some lemon. And we season our tilapia with some salt. I also go ahead and season it with my mixed spice from Bakes Organic Food. This thing is really fire. Like it has all the necessary ingredients that I need to season my fish. So if you don't have one, get yours from Bakes Organic Food. But if you are not able to get one as well, you can use garlic, ginger and onion to season yours. So I'd marinate my fish for about 15 to 20 minutes. Today's recipe is very simple and doesn't need much ingredients, so as always, do check out the description box for all ingredients used in this recipe. We'll start off with our Zomi from Bakes Organic Food. You know they have the best organic products, and this Zomi is correct Zomi, like Volta Zomi. The flavor and the aroma, you understand. And then we'll go ahead and add momoni and then tolo beef with some onions. The flavor from this three combo is fire, you understand. And then we'll leave it to sizzle for about a minute. With this, it helps the momoni, the beef and all that to infuse well in the oil. And we go ahead and add our garlic and ginger. It's the sizzle for me. We blended some tomatoes, pepper and then onion, so we will be adding it to our oil now. Add your shrimp cube, or you can add shrimp powder for flavor. So we'll cover our stew up and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then we'll stir and then add our tilapia. So you see, it's good to prep your tilapia ahead, and then while making your stew, the tilapia will be marinating. Do you get what I mean? Tilapia doesn't need that much time to get ready, so we make sure our stew is almost done before we add our tilapia so that it doesn't overcook. And then we'll seal the flavor up with some kpakposhito and onion. Most people don't like fresh fish stew because it stinks, but with this recipe, the flavor alone will make them lick their fingers. And we are adding some okro because we'll be serving our stew with some banku. You can decide to boil your okro on the side, that's totally up to you. And finally, we added some green bell pepper and more onions for more flavor, as I said earlier. You guys always complain that nobody tries our recipe out, so how would we know if this food is nice or not? Well, we have a surprise for you. One of our subscribers is trying this particular recipe up and would give you guys their honest feedback. Stay tuned for that in our next video.
I still can't tell whether the food is nice or not.
If you want to be a guest on our channel trying out any of our recipes, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button down below. It's totally free. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, and comment down below. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.